Today we are at the James River in Mission Hills, South Dakota, doing some fishing.
Hi guys.
With my daughter Izzy, my son Rodney, my wife Ashley.
Hi.
Nice little spot. We got some rod holders, some fish bait, catfish bait. Got a little fire going up there.
Little, you mean big?
Well, it was, but it's going out.
Hi guys.
Hoping to get some fish today here. We've seen a bunch jumping, some big ones. Nice little mellow spot.
Water don't go use it fast out there. That's about that. You gotta get more out of it fast. I'm gonna go back over here, guys.
All right.
Place I like. Your dad here. Well, the two really pull us all the way. It's good. And
This is a private area, so only a few people come out here, which is nice. What do you have on your pole, Rodney?
A worm and a weight.
What do you have, babe?
I have worm and catfish bait.
Oh yeah, and a little bit of stink bait. Double chew.
So yeah, wish us luck that we get something out here on this beautiful day. We've heard there's some big fish in here, so.
Make a sock. Oh yeah, I'm gonna put it in there. There's a big old for you.
Wife had a few nibbles on her pole earlier.
I had a couple. And you. I'm gonna sit you.
Rodney had a couple nibbles.
Like a little channel maybe. Or gar. That's the whole lake. I got some bait out.
I think this would be a nice little place to get a kayak out.
I got some salmon.
It's nice and mellow.
I got one of salmon eggs. That carp, Dad? Dad, if you face the camera that way, you can probably see a fish come out the water. Look! Mom, there's a big spider on my pants. Somebody's getting them out. Oh, Dad, look!
Yep.
I don't know what that was. All I seen was the water going. There's a fish. There's a fish. Ding ding dong ding dong. Ding dong ding dong. Oh, yeah, it's 10 minutes. Ready, okay? Got the food, my dad. Now let's put the.
Anyways, like and follow our YouTube, subscribe to it. We'd really appreciate it. To continue watching fishing videos and the wildlife stuff we do. If we get anything here, I will take a video of what we get and post it also. Thank you.